What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be hosting a graphic design competition. We're going to see who can make the best banner with a certain theme that I will go over, and there's a few rules I need to go over as well. So each person is going to submit a banner with the underwater theme to my email, which I will leave down in the comments and the description. So just design the banner with the underwater theme and then send it to me when you're done. And then I will go over all of them in a week from now. So it's going to be due in a week. That's when I'm going to post my next video announcing the winners. So I'm going to go over all of them and pick my top 3. And the top 3 people will win a shout out on my channel. I will show off your channel or whatever you want me to show off. Just send that with the email. And so if you win, I'll know what to do. Only enter if you're going to be a good sport about it. I don't want people being like, oh, mine's better than that guy's if they win, or just talking trash. Just join if you want to have some fun and just do this competition. It's not that serious, so just keep that in mind. Another rule is no templates are allowed, so you can't find a template online and use that. You have to design it yourself in whatever software you want. The only rule is no 3D text, because not everyone has access to 3D text. So like stuff you can do in Illustrator or Cinema 4D or Photoshop, no 3D. Just keep it 2D. By underwater theme, I mean something like this. This is kind of, it doesn't have to have ships and stuff, but like I just mean it needs to be related to the ocean and stuff like this. I chose a theme because you could easily just steal someone's template or whatever and use it, so the underwater is cool. I really like this one. This one's really nice, but there's 3D text, so you can't do that. This is going to be the first competition I've ever done, so if it goes well, I'll probably do more in the future. Let me know what you guys think down below about this idea, and maybe I can utilize it a lot more in the future. Here's another example that I found. This one's really cool as well, and you can see it uses 2D text. And here is another. I think this will be the last one last example I'll show off, but this is it's just kind of what I'm going for. I think you get the idea now. Just an underwater theme, something real simple, 2D text to keep it fair. And maybe in the future I'll do it to where everything's allowed and you could just go all out with 3D text, whatever you want. But for now, I'm just going to try to get a feel for what it's going to be like. So that's probably going to conclude it. I also forgot to mention I will be coming out with another tutorial today, so look out for that. Good luck to all of you guys. I will leave my email in the description and the comments if you want to send your submissions to me. Just design one banner, underwater theme, only 2D text, okay? So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.